Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go from moles to grams. When we're converting between moles and grams, we use something called the molar mass. And you should know how to find the molar mass. You just use the periodic table and the formula that you're given. So, or the chemical formula that you're given. So the math formula that you use here, you're always going to start with given substance in moles over 1 times your molar mass in grams over 1 mole of given. The reason why we put moles up here and moles down here is because we're trying to get rid of moles. And if you have 1 mole on top and another mole on the bottom, they'll cancel out and you'll be left with grams, which is exactly what we're asking for. So let's look at this problem. Let's say we have something like 1.36 moles of ammonia. Oops, ammonia. That's a 3. Oh dear. Okay, over 1. And I'm going to say times. I need to find the molar mass of ammonia. And then I need to put it over 1 mole of ammonia. So I'm going to use my handy-dandy periodic table that I will always have access to on a big test like this. And I'm going to say, okay, nitrogen, there's 1 of them. And 1 nitrogen has 14.01 grams per mole. So that's 14.01. And I have 3 hydrogens. And each hydrogen has 1.01 grams per mole, which is really 3.03. I'm going to add those two together. That becomes 17.04. So I'm going to say 17.04 grams per 1 mole of ammonia. I'm able to cross out this moles of NH3 and this moles of NH3 because math. And I'm left with grams of NH3 at the top. And then all I have to do is multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, divide the top by the bottom. So I don't have a calculator shown here. I'm sorry, I'm not fancy enough. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to tell you what I'm typing, then I'll just write down the answer that you get. You can do it along with me if you want. I'm going to say 1.36 times 17.04, and I get 23.17. And then 1 times 1, we all know, is 1. I divide that 23.17 by 1, and I get 23.17 grams of ammonia. Guys, as long as you know how to find the molar mass, and you know where to put moles in that second fraction, you're going to be okay, even if you didn't have the equation with you, because you should know that if you have moles on top, and you're trying to get rid of moles, you're going to put moles on bottom, which means that your molar mass goes on top.